outlook. Big snow contrast in depth between parts of northeast Jersey around the New York City area, and indeed the western part of the state of New Jersey. We have seen the highest totals over 26 inches, so over 2 feet of snow in parts of the West Jersey, and also over 2 feet extending in the western and central portions of Massachusetts. In stark contrast, Central Park only received 2.9 inches. Toms River down the central New Jersey coast only received an inch or two. And, it's indicative of a tough forecast and snowfall, not just at this time of the year, but any time of the year. So, in my opinion, the New York City area was a bit of a bust. Um, as can sometimes, it feels as if it's always the case that you forecast too high totals. But what's interesting is the GFS is flipping back and forward between early next week. We've got another system comes out of the Tennessee Valley, and last night's run it had it crossing right over the New York City area, dumping over a foot of snow. But classic GFS, classic models really overall has the heaviest band of snow now, well to the south. And in fact, the heaviest snowfall through Kentucky, West Virginia, and Virginia. Long way to go before we reach the early part of next week, so we're going to see a back and forth chopping and changing. But definitely, we are seeing the worst of the snowfall now lifting out of the New York City, New Jersey area. So, one or two spots may end up with 30 inches of snow, which of course is a very significant amount of snowfall. But this event is done now with this area. Now we're starting to see it up into New England and up into Maine. We're going to see big snow totals, as you can see here, as this system lifts on out here. Then we've got more weather coming in from the Midwest here, mainly in the form of snow showers, really. But what's interesting is, of course, we've got cold air coming in on the backside. Notice here that over the next 24 hours, we do see upwards of a foot of snow, maybe even a foot and a half of snow up across Maine before this system is all said and done. And then we're going to see snow showers coming in the backside of that into the areas that have been hardest hit, of course. But like I say, the GFS is now shifted south with regards to its heaviest snow band. And the focus is going to be generally over the mid-Atlantic interior here. DC might not get much at all, even in the New York City area. It's so difficult to say it this far out. It's a waste of time almost saying this, that, or the next thing at this stage, because of course we've got a good 5-6 days away. I'm trying to upload this map here for you, but I'm on the computer. I've been on the laptop, but there's been static. If somebody can tell me how to fix that, I would appreciate that. But I'm back on the home main PC here, and this computer's, to be honest, I think it's gubbed. It's about 7 years old, and it's starting to tell. So I'm trying my best to upload this video as best I can, but it's having a problem doing that. So what I suggest you do is check out the written post later on today for more on the potential for further snowfall as we go into the early part of next week here. So we've had 3 major nor'easters within the last 10 days or so, 2 of which were so-called 100-year flood events for the coastal portion of Massachusetts. What a weather pattern has been. But when you've got a firmly negative NAO, AO, at this time of the year, you have a wild March, and quite often we are finding that Marches have been quite wild in recent years, and certainly this March is no exception to that. So I'm going to cut while I'm ahead here. Hope you have a great day, and I'll be back in the next couple of days, hopefully with more and hopefully a better video. Bye for now.